Hey there, future affiliate marketer. I'm Hannah, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to get started with affiliate marketing even if you've never made a sale online before. Let me guess you've heard about affiliate marketing, but you're not sure where to start. Maybe you're worried about choosing the right niche, or you don't have a big budget to invest. Here's the thing, you're not alone. Every successful affiliate marketer started exactly where you are right now. That's why we've created a complete step-by-step system designed specifically for beginners like you. You'll get guided learning with easy-to-follow tutorials, strategic tools to build your online presence, and mentorship access from marketers who've been in your shoes. I've seen regular people go from zero sales to their first $500 month in just 90 days by following this system. Here's the deal. Every day you wait is another day you're not building your online income. Click the link below to create your free account and unlock your affiliate marketing potential. No credit card required, just your commitment to learn and grow. Your journey to affiliate marketing success starts with one simple step. Take it now. Before you go, smash, like, tap, subscribe, and ring the bell. New money-making strategies drop weekly. Join the opportunities available with World of Affiliate offers.